My name is Massimiliano. I'm from Italy. I'm a sous chef at the Four Seasons London Canary Wharf. Cacciatora is a really traditional dish from the center of Italy. Cacciatora means hunting style. Basically, this was a dish which they used to prepare the wife of the hunters when the hunters was on their way back home by night. Pasta is made basically with eggs, flour, salt and water. Then you mix all the ingredients all together. Something really simple, ingredients really cheap and full of flavor. These 4 ingredients you can make a really big amount of shape of the pasta. You roll, you shape in, and then you cook it in salty water. Al dente is a kind of cooking of the pasta. It means no overcook, just crunch enough at the end. I think it's easy to make. Simple ingredients, a lot of flavor, a lot of happiness also.